my name is G and I work at the coolest place in Fresno, Bird Dog Cards and Comics. We're located on Fresno Avenue and Bullard Avenue, address of 464 East Bullard Avenue, Suite 103, Fresno, California. We have a plethora of products such as Pokemon, Digimon, Dragon Ball Z, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Magic the Gathering, as well as sports trading cards. We also carry sealed product. Aside from TCG, we also carry anime merch in the form of apparel, figures, Funko Pops, plushies, wall scrolls, keychains, and more. Our tables are also open for free play during the store hours through the whole week. So come stop by. Hope to see you.